High temperatures continue throughout the day today. Daytime temperature in Seoul rose to 23 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees in Daegu, feeling like early summer. Tomorrow will be as warm as today. However, daily temperature differences will be around 15 degrees. As cold air flows in from the East Sea, temperatures on the East Coast will drop by about 10 degrees overnight, which will be somewhat chilly. Please take care of your health. Tomorrow, raindrops will fall slightly between morning and evening in Gwangju and inland areas of Jeollanam-do Province. You need to take your umbrella on your way out. Strong winds of more than 50 meters per second are expected across the country tomorrow. Precautions will be needed so as not to start a wildfire. Tomorrow morning will start off with mild conditions. Seoul, Daejeon, Daegu 10 degrees, Busan and Jeju 12 degrees. Daily highs will move up to 19 in Seoul and Jeju, Daegu 18 degrees Celsius. Clear and dry weather will continue for a week without any news of rain. That's all for Korea. Here are the weather conditions around the world.